Hi all, this is VC here from VC's Academy. In today's class we will discuss about slime molds which are part of kingdom Protista. In our earlier classes we have discussed about kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista introduction, dinoflagellates, chrysophytes and all. Now we will discuss about slime molds. Before going into the class, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all my videos as notifications. Right, coming into the concept, slime molds. What are slime molds? Slime molds are saprophytic protists. So what we have to remember about slime molds? Slime molds are saprophytic protists. Multinucleated mass of protoplasm is surrounded by a plasma membrane. In slime molds, if we observe, these are multinucleated mass of protoplasm and is surrounded by a plasma membrane. The body moves along decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing organic material. So if we see the movement of slime molds, they move along with decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing organic material which comes through its way. Under favourable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium which grow and spread over several feet. So during favourable conditions, they form as an aggregation called plasmodium which grows and spreads over several feet. And during unfavourable conditions, so in unfavourable conditions what they do? The plasmodium differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. So during unfavourable conditions, the plasmodium differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. So what are the points here? Slime molds are saprophytic protists. These are multinucleated mass of protoplasm and are surrounded by plasma membrane. Body moves along decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing organic material. Under favourable condition, they form an aggregation called plasmodium which grow and spread over several feet, and during unfavourable conditions, the plasmodium differentiates and form fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. And the spores which are formed at their tips possess true walls. Few examples of slime molds, images we can see which I got through Google. They are extremely resistant and can survive for many years even under adverse conditions. So slime molds are extremely resistant and they can survive for many years even under adverse conditions. The spores are dispersed by air currents, and if you see the dispersal of the spores, these are dispersed by air currents. And in this slide, what are the 3 points we have? The spores possess true walls, they are extremely resistant and can survive for many years, and this can happen in adverse conditions, and the spores are dispersed by air currents. The spores are dispersed by air current. So this is about slime molds. Hope you all understood the concept. In my next class we will discuss about protozoans. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.